Now let's take a look at assignment profiles. Assignment profiles give you the power to assign content, a course, or a curriculum to a group of people automatically based on whatever criteria you select. You must be logged in and select the Admin tab at the top. Then you want to click on Users. And in the left column, click on Assignment Profiles. From here, we're going to go all the way over to the right and click on Add New to create a new assignment profile. Now we'll give our assignment profile ID a name. I'm going to call it Supervisors in Fort Lauderdale. Fill in the description. We can select the domain or we can leave it as public. You can fill in an email ID if you're the creator of this particular assignment profile. And if you want to type in some notes or comments, you're able to do that here. Now let's click Add. And now the shell of our assignment profile has been created. In order for this to be meaningful, now we have to go up to the right-hand side and establish some rules for this particular assignment profile. So let's click on Manage Rules. Now we can define who is going to be affected by this assignment profile. In the top half of our assignment here, it asks us to set up the domain. So I'm going to click on Add Domains. And for this assignment profile, I want all the supervisors who are at the Fort Lauderdale facility. So I'm going to add Fort Lauderdale. So now my pool of users will only come from the Fort Lauderdale domain. Now we have to set up rules in order to identify the users that we want to affect. I'm going to give this rule a name, and I'm just simply going to call it Supervisors. And now we have to define this rule. And to do that, I'm going to click Select Attribute. And in the drop-down list, I'm going to select Is Supervisor. Now, we have to select an operator. So I want equals. And you see here, I have a drop-down choice. I can choose either yes or no. So I could either define a group of users who are supervisors, or I could define a group of users who are not supervisors. In this case, I'm going to select yes. That rule looks good. If I wanted to add to this rule, I could go over here and click Add Rule, and I could narrow this list down even further. But this is good for now, so I'm going to click Save. And now my assignment profile has been set up with a particular rule where all the people in Fort Lauderdale who are supervisor level. I can click this button at the bottom here that says Preview Users in Assignment Profile. And I can see exactly who is going to be affected by this assignment profile. All the users who fit the criteria that I've set up. So here's a way that you can check your work before you complete your definition of your assignment profile. Everything looks good. So now I can close this. And now my assignment profile has been created, and I can use it to apply it to content, courses, or curricula.